Because I'm doing a video right now. I'm going to post it on the interwebs. What are you guys making?
We're making deviled eggs.
Oh.
With homemade mayonnaise.
What kind of mayonnaise?
The one that you made.
Yeah, you know what I made it with?
No idea.
Bacon fat.
You skipped it in.
Ross is making a calzone. Miriam made, for the very first time ever, a cheese ball. It is half gone. It's a bacon ranch cheese ball? Oh yeah, there they are. As I cast a shadow over it.
We made pizza.
Here's the great chips that are made out of summer sausage.
We've got some bacon chips too that aren't on a plate.
Yeah, we're about halfway through the shrimp.
Yummy shrimp.
And here's the low-carb cocktail sauce made with sugar-free ice cream. I mean, sugar-free ice cream. Wow! Sugar-free ketchup. The non-keto kids wanted some chips, so they get that.
Sugar-free ice cream.
What are you laughing at?
Sugar-free ice cream.
Ice cream with my shrimp.
Yeah, well, whatever. And we've been making pizzas. We got, is it Cynthia Ann Bakery?
Yeah, we think it's Raise the Valley now. We're not quite
Oh, okay.
sure.
Anyway, we got that. We've got some bacon wrapped shrimp, some bacon chips. Ross is cooking his pizzas. And above Ross, we got jalapeno poppers. They're coming along. They're almost done, Miriam.
They are good. Have you ever even tried one? Yeah, they.
Oh, those little smokies and sugar-free barbecue sauce. And then over here, we got the keto eggnog with a whole bunch of diet soda.
Big.
Yes, you made that hole way too big. Hold on, let me help you. Bye, guys.